Content library. Content library is the center of your media files distribution. In Content Library, you see all the content you publish to your display and content that is uploaded and pending to be published. Content Library gives you the ability to organize the content inside the folder structure. You can drag and drop files in and out of the folder without worrying that it might break the playlist in any way. Content Library will give you the visibility of every file distribution. Just click on a file and you will have full information about the file, such as when it was uploaded, size, type, and resolution. You can preview or download the file by clicking on the Preview or Download button. Under Tags, you can assign tags to each file so you can track the category used in your playlist in Reports. Under Playing At, you have full visibility of which campaigns and players the file is playing on. From there, you can just hover the status and a small menu will allow you to delete or pause the file from playing on a specific campaign. If you see P icon, it means that content is pending and ready to be published. To organize your library, you can create folders within folders. To create a folder, just click on Create New Folder and type in the name of the folder and press Save. You can drag files to a folder by clicking or holding the mouse over a file or multiple files and drag it to a folder. You can also select a file or multiple files and click Move on the right menu and select the destination folder. To upload content to the library or to a specific folder, double-click on the folder, click the Upload button, and drag and drop your file to this page. Or click on the Choose File button and select your files. Press Save. You can search files by type. For example, to see all the videos, you type Videos in the search field and press Search. You can search for any file by its name. In addition, you can sort the files in the library by A to Z, last modified, size, etc. If you want to schedule a file or multiple files to play on your network, just select the file or files by clicking on the checkbox on the right corner. On the right menu, click on Use as Content. This will take you to the Add New Content page where you can control which campaign or location you would like to send the content to and control the zone and duration of each piece of content. You can schedule the content of the entire folder and distribute all the files inside the folder to your network. To do that, you can just select the folder and click on the three dots to open a menu. Click Use as Content, which will take the entire content of the folder and send it to the display. By clicking on the three dots, you will have other options such as Move, Delete, Use as an active folder, which we will discuss next. Active Folder. UCView Active Folder is a very powerful tool to simplify user experience of updating content on the displays. This feature allows you to take a folder and assign it for distribution on one or more displays. Any change in the folder content will immediately get published to all or some of the displays. This allows a user to just drag, drop files, or delete files in a folder without worrying about knowing how to publish content or where it's going. You add any files to an active folder, reorganize the order, and immediately it will publish to any display assigned to the active folder. Admin can simplify user interaction by limiting their access only to specific folders. without access to the rest of the system and allowed them to modify part of the playlist. To create an active folder, create a folder and select it. Click on the three dots and on the menu on the left, click Use as Active Folder. This will take you to Add New Content page, where you can select the campaigns or location and the zone for this active folder. Please check our active folder video for details on active folder. Thank you.